National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Monroe County, southern Morgan County, northeastern Owen County, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Martinsville, or 18 miles north of Bloomington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Paragon around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Martinsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Monroe, Morgan, and Owen. Here is an air quality